Welcome to the IKEA PS Collection, the 7th of its kind. When starting up the creative process for this design collection, we took inspiration from the 60+ years of IKEA design history, but of course also from people's life at home. This stackable chair designed by Vibke Brasch is a great example. She got inspired by this quite characteristic IKEA chair from the late 50s. She started by removing the heavy padding and everything else redundant. It became simpler, cleaner, and it works indoors as well as outdoors. Let me show you another example where an old product have inspired a new one. Check out this vintage IKEA sofa from the 70s. What is the difference between this sofa and the old one? The pocket spring. Our ambition is to reduce as much foam as possible. Pocket springs make the sofa comfortable for sitting and for laying.